Hi, I'm Kevin Harrington, inventor of the infomercial, pioneer of the as-seen on TV industry, and original shark from ABC's hit TV show, Shark Tank. If you're an entrepreneur, you already are aware that around 500,000 new businesses are created each month. And in order to survive in this crowded market, it's more critical than ever to leverage the art of digital marketing to stand out against the competition. Now, I've been building companies and launching products for over 40 years in hundreds of countries. And the one thing that's always absolutely critical is the importance of effective marketing when it comes to standing out and beating the odds. Now, this is why I've actually chosen to endorse Steven Alvey, founder of Warlord Entrepreneur. As a decorated combat veteran, Steven knows a thing or two about beating the odds, both on and off the battlefield. But after he left the Air Force, he recently managed to launch a business in a highly competitive industry and profitably scale it to 6 figures in 1 year with almost no starting capital or outside funding, all through the power of digital marketing and cutting-edge online sales techniques. Today, his company, Warlord Entrepreneur, provides a host of game-changing digital marketing products, training, and consulting services for small businesses. Now, his rapid growth and success have caused him to be recognized by industry leaders as a trusted expert in his field. So much so that I've asked him to share his expertise by co-authoring my new book. So I just want to say this, look, in today's climate, you can't afford to be one of the 76% of businesses who struggle with marketing. If you're looking to launch or grow a business by leveraging the power of digital marketing and online sales, I highly recommend you reach out to Steven Alvey and his team at Warlord Entrepreneur today.